Hi everyone, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope we're all having a fantastic day. I have here on the menu a quick breakfast recipe. It's just a simple sausage and some peppers stir fry. So to achieve this, what do we have to make this? The ingredients on the menu is 4 Angus beef cut up right here. I have about half a cup of green pepper, half a cup of orange and yellow peppers, and I have half a cup of sweet onions as well. I have a little bit of habanero pepper here for some hot spice, and I have about half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. So let's get started. So with my pan already heating up, I'm gonna go in with my oil. And then next I come in with my peppers, my onions. That's the sound you want to hear. That means the pan is hot. My peppers, my onions, and my hot habanero pepper. And we saute it until it's a little bit tender. So let's do this for like 2 minutes, and then I will go in. Okay, so I've been sauteing this for about 2 minutes, and I'm gonna go in with my salt, my black pepper, and my garlic powder. Saute it again for another about 2 to 3 minutes. I've been sauteing this for about 3 minutes, and I'm going to go in now with my sausages. At this point, you use your discretion. If you like it really tender, you leave it in for a little bit more. I just want it to heat up a little bit, and I'll just pour it out. It's that simple. That's simple but very tasty. Okay, so at this point we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my fire off. I'll just dish it in my plate. So next we have to make our scrambled eggs. I have here 3 large eggs. I have about a 1/4 tablespoon of salt, but I'm not going to put everything in, so it's just going to be a dash of it. I have about 3 tablespoons of fresh milk, and I have about a 1/4 cup of cured turkey breast. So let's get started. So I have my turkey breast already in my eggs. I'm going to put in my salt. And the fresh milk. And then I'll beat it. My pan is already heating up, so just go in and pour everything in. Okay, so I go in next with my eggs. I did not wash my pan at all because I need all that flavor to build up in the eggs. So here we have it. our scrambled eggs is ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn off my fire and dish it out. So here, friends, here we have it, our very simple and tasty scrambled eggs with peppers and sausage. I hope you're inspired to try it. But before we go, let me just sprinkle a little bit of black pepper on my scrambled eggs to make it more appealing. I hope you like it. Try it. If you do, leave me a comment in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. Bye guys. See you again in my next video.